The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike new model brings together the best of both touring and three-wheel riding, designed for those who want luxury and power without sacrificing stability. This model builds upon decades of refinement from Honda's Gold Wing series and offers even more features for riders who demand comfort, technology, and reliability. Every inch of this machine reflects Honda's engineering discipline, wrapped in a stylish body that commands attention on the road. At the core of the 2026 model is the tried and tested 1833cc flat-six engine. This liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed six-cylinder motor remains one of the smoothest and most dependable powertrains ever put into a motorcycle. It delivers around 125 horsepower and 130 pounds-ft of torque, giving the Trike effortless cruising ability even with a full load and passenger. Honda's goal was not just speed but smoothness and control over long distances. And this engine achieves just that. The Trike's power delivery is consistent and refined. Even under hard throttle, the engine maintains a calm, composed attitude. Its torque is available low in the rev range, making overtaking and hill climbing feel easy, regardless of terrain. Whether you're riding through mountain curves or open highways, the engine never feels strained. A big upgrade in this model is the transmission choice. Riders can select either a 6-speed manual or Honda's highly praised 7-speed dual-clutch transmission DCT. The DCT option allows for seamless gear shifts without the need for a clutch lever, perfect for riders who prefer smooth and automated transitions. For those who enjoy a more classic experience, the manual gearbox still offers precise, clean shifting. The inclusion of a reverse gear in both versions makes maneuvering the Trike much easier, especially in tight parking lots or on slopes. The electric reverse and walking modes are extremely useful for handling the weight of the Trike, which hovers around 1,250 to 1,300 pounds, depending on configuration. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike's front suspension uses a double wishbone design. This setup reduces fork dive and enhances front-end stability, especially during braking or cornering. It's a major leap from traditional telescopic forks and contributes significantly to the smooth car-like feel of the ride. Honda focused heavily on keeping the ride composed and plush without losing feedback. At the rear, the conversion to three wheels includes a solid axle with independent suspension and a wide stance for maximum balance. The rear tires add more grip, enabling the Trike to hold its line securely through turns. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, and it absorbs road imperfections with ease, making it ideal for long-distance travel. One of the standout benefits of the Trike design is the added confidence it gives to riders. With no risk of tipping at low speeds or while stopped, it makes starting, stopping, and low-speed maneuvers safer and less stressful. It's especially attractive to riders who are transitioning from two wheels due to age or comfort concerns. The braking system is another strong point. Honda's combined braking setup ensures that both front and rear brakes are applied proportionally for safe, controlled stops. ABS is standard, helping prevent wheel lock-up during sudden braking on slippery surfaces. Braking feel is progressive and reassuring design-wise. The 2026 model keeps the luxurious and iconic look of the Gold Wing. The fairings are aerodynamic. The LED headlight cluster is aggressive yet elegant, and the overall silhouette is bold. The three-wheel stance gives it a muscular profile, while preserving the flowing lines of the two-wheel version. The seating is generous and sculpted for both rider and passenger. The rider's seat has lumbar support, while the passenger seat offers armrests and a backrest for maximum comfort. The materials are weather-resistant, and both seats can be heated. This ensures comfort in any season, especially when riding long hours. The infotainment system is modern and integrated into a large 7-inch TFT screen. The interface is easy to use and displays everything from navigation to media and trip information. Riders can connect their smartphones using Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, allowing for hands-free calls, music streaming, and navigation on the go. Audio is piped through multiple high-quality speakers that remain clear even at highway speeds. Riders can control volume, source, and calls from the handlebar controls or the touchscreen. There are also USB ports and charging sockets for powering devices on long rides. Cruise control comes standard and operates smoothly, allowing the Trike to maintain a set speed with minimal effort. This reduces rider fatigue and helps maintain steady mileage during long-distance touring. It's one of those features you appreciate the more you ride. The windshield is electrically adjustable, letting riders raise or lower it with a button. This helps reduce wind noise and buffeting, and it can be tailored to rider height or weather conditions. It even has a memory function that remembers your preferred position. Storage is another major advantage. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike offers hard saddlebags and a spacious rear trunk, all of which are weather-sealed. You can store helmets, jackets, bags, and even groceries if needed. Each compartment has soft close hinges and can be locked remotely. Lighting system is entirely LED, improving visibility and giving the Trike a premium appearance. From the headlamps to the taillights and turn signals, the lighting is both functional and stylish. The DRLs ensure you're seen even during the day. Fuel economy is respectable for a vehicle of this size. Riders can expect around 35 to 40 miles per gallon depending on riding conditions and load. The large fuel tank offers over 200 miles of range, meaning fewer fuel stops during long rides. Battery and electrical performance are top-notch. The trike is equipped with a high-output alternator that supports all electronic systems, even at idle. This ensures consistent power to heated grips, infotainment, lighting, and accessories. Honda also includes a smart key system for keyless ignition and locking. You simply keep the fob in your pocket and the trike unlocks and starts with the push of a button. It's a small convenience that makes a big difference in everyday use. The frame is made of aluminum, designed to be both rigid and lightweight. It provides structural integrity and helps absorb vibrations, giving the rider a more stable and enjoyable ride experience. It also helps reduce overall weight compared to steel frames. Color options are expected to include metallic blacks, deep reds, and possibly a limited edition two-tone. Honda may release special trims to celebrate milestones or anniversaries, as they've done with past Goldwing generations. Performance tests show that the trike handles straight-line acceleration effortlessly, and cruising at highway speeds feels relaxed and smooth. It excels in long-distance touring, providing unmatched comfort over hundreds of miles. Honda engineers have fine-tuned the gear ratios to ensure the engine stays in its sweet spot during typical highway speeds, maximizing fuel efficiency and reducing engine wear. The DCT model even adapts its shift pattern to match your riding style. In terms of safety, Honda has included traction control, hill start assist, and vehicle stability features to prevent skids or rollbacks. These systems work in the background and can be disabled if the rider prefers full manual control. The trike is also compatible with many touring accessories, including additional lights, phone mounts, auxiliary fuel tanks, and custom seat options. Honda's accessory catalog will likely expand further in 2026. One unique feature is the walking mode. Available on DCT versions, it allows the trike to creep forward or backward at walking speed, making parking and tight maneuvering incredibly easy. Riders of all experience levels will find the Gold Wing Trike intuitive and user-friendly. It's powerful yet manageable, luxurious but not overwhelming. Honda has built it with practicality in mind. The expected price range is between $45,000 to $50,000 depending on the trim, transmission, and optional features. This puts it at the high end of the touring trike market, but reflects the value packed into the bike. The 2026 model is expected to be revealed officially in late 2025, with availability beginning in early 2026. Pre-orders may open shortly after the announcement at major motorcycle expos or through Honda dealerships. Honda is likely to offer multiple versions, including a base model and a tour model with upgraded features like premium audio, larger windscreen, and additional comfort options for passengers. Customer interest is already high, especially among those who love long-distance riding but want the extra safety and comfort that three wheels offer. The trike market continues to grow, and Honda is clearly paying attention. Early test rides from select reviewers will help confirm what many already expect, that this machine is going to set a new benchmark for premium touring trikes. Its combination of power, tech, comfort, and style is hard to beat. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is more than just a motorcycle. It's a rolling luxury suite, a performance tourer, and a symbol of engineering excellence all in one. Honda's the ability to merge cutting-edge technology with timeless comfort